So Go Noodle has two different options, a free version and a paid version. And this is what the paid version looks like. This is a home page, the Discover page. This is all the categories. So this is like the academic categories. So let's say I select reading practice. These are all the videos that are available for reading. I go back, select math, and these are all the videos that are available for math. And then if I want, let's say SEL and mindfulness, click on that. And this is all about building compassion, sensory and motor skills, balance. Let's see. This one's like school life, so let's do indoor recess. And this one's movement type, so let's say I want to do a stretch, click stretch. And these are all the videos that are available. And I go to channels. These are all the channels that are linked to Go Noodle Plus. And this is the curricular resources. So let's say I want to click on Mindfulness 101. I click on it, and these are all the videos that are available and lessons available for Mindfulness 101. Or let's say I want to do Go Noodle and math. So these are some examples of some math videos that are linked to math. And these are learning extensions. So like these are more like worksheets. And then question sets. So let's say I want to do plural nouns. And I could go from there. So if you're considering getting Go Noodle Plus, you should get it.